Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to sync audio in DaVinci Resolve. First, import your video and separately recorded audio files into the media pool. Select both clips by holding down Ctrl or Command and clicking them. Then, right-click on the selected clips. From the menu, choose Auto Sync Audio and then Based on Waveform. DaVinci Resolve will analyze the audio patterns and automatically align them, often in just a few seconds, making your workflow much smoother. For professional shoots, syncing with timecode offers unparalleled precision. This method relies on your cameras and external audio recorders being jam-synced to a master clock before you start recording. Once your files are in the media pool, select all relevant clips. Right-click, choose Auto Sync Audio, and then select Based on Timecode. Resolve will instantly align your footage and audio, saving you significant time in post-production with perfect accuracy. Sometimes, automatic syncing isn't possible, perhaps due to missing scratch audio or timecode. In these cases, manual syncing is your best friend. Drag your video and external audio onto the timeline. Look for a clear visual cue, like a clapperboard clap or a sharp hand gesture, and align it with the corresponding audio spike in the waveform. Zoom in very closely to fine-tune the alignment, ensuring your audio and video are perfectly in sync, often within 1 or 2 frames. For projects with multiple cameras and separate audio, creating a multicam clip is highly efficient. In the media pool, select all your video and audio clips, then right-click and choose Create New Multicam Clip using selected clips. You can then choose to sync by waveform or timecode. After any syncing method, always play back your footage. Listen carefully and watch lip movements to confirm everything is perfectly aligned, ensuring a polished final product.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.